Hey everyone, welcome back to the place we're testing every single mask on Amazon, including the Posh KF94. Let's open this up and put it in the clamper and see what happens. Very excited about this mask. Why? Be healthy. Talk dolls. My second YouTube channel, that you may not know, is about dolls. That's not true. What is going on here? Is this a spaceship? Why does it say talk dolls when it's a spaceship? This is a very small mask. This may be like one of the smallest masks we've had in the clamper. Okay, good. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency machine. We are doing the N95 test on this mask. I know it's a KF94. 94 stands for 94%. This is the Be Healthy KF94. Gray, black, yellow color, imported. Cute. It's ridiculously cute. I love the packaging on this. You can actually see the mask through it. I don't understand the spaceship though. That's weird. Unique pattern design, indeed. KF94. It looks like a radio station. KF.94. It says it's FDA registered, but it may mean Korean FDA. Ah, it's very strong. That broke, but that's very strong. So one thing that separates the fakes from the real KF94s, because all KF94s have to be made in Korea, is the packaging. Look at how nice this packaging is. I mean, it's just very thick, individually packaged. That is very, very expensive to do. If I can get this on me. Ooh. This smells very strongly of plastic. In fact, I'm going to call this smell Doll Factory. Be healthy. Talk dolls. All right, let's switch on over to the machine. Very high airflow resistance. I like to see it about 150. It's 183. It's a little high for me, but look at that efficiency, 98.693. We've seen some 99 pointers in here with some small face masks. Yeah, the Be Healthy brand. It's okay. It's okay. It's just that there's so many good options. I would probably choose something else unless you are really into spaceships or dolls. I'm not really sure the combination there. It's a little weird. Maybe something's lost in translation. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time and attention, and I appreciate you being here every day at 10 o'clock, which is when we drop new mask videos. And I know you're here every day because I'm watching you. And I'll see you on the next test. Thank you so much.